Hello y'all, you have a broken computer like I do? Well, let me show you how to fix it. So you see all this? So what you want to do is find a spare TV that you have. Alright, you need to find an Ethernet cable, which is this. It would look like that. It would have that on it. Then you plug it up into your computer. And a TV or monitor would work for this. Alright. Ethernet cable plugged in. Then you want to go to the back of your TV. Take the other side of the Ethernet cable. Come back here. Plug it up where it's going. She's right here. I'm blind. It will plug up into a HDMI cord, like an HDMI spot. Alright, now just cover this up. Alright, take your remote, turn TV on. Alright, now you want to go to source, I think.
Tough decision?
Alright. There it is. Now your computer's pulled up. Now you can do all your business until you get your screen fixed.